Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up pre-recording on your DJI Osmo Action 6. In order to do it, you would need to first swipe up to get parameters, then simply click here on the mode and find prereq. Then select the prereq duration. Let's say 30 seconds, for example, right? And now prereq is already started. You can see it is already recording. It's pre-recording. Okay, I pressed on start. Never mind. I think it's just a translation issue here on the DJI. It should be like that. Don't press on prereq stopped because it actually means stop prereq. And yeah, you can now start recording something. You can start doing something, and it doesn't record it doesn't save it now, but as you can see, it starts counting up to 30, and after that it won't additionally do more. It'll just remove the previous seconds, and only once you press the record button, it will save those last 30 seconds at the beginning of the video that you started taking after pressing the rec button. So that is basically it. So you never miss something, because let's say something is being recorded by your camera with pre-recording, but you didn't have recording itself turned on, and something important happened, so you can just press here and it'll do that. So it'll just save those last 30 seconds and then record more. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.